Hi, welcome to our class today. Today we want to learn how to design a presentation using PowerPoint. So the first thing that you need to do is to open PowerPoint. So here we go. We'll open. Okay, so PowerPoint provides you with a number of templates from where you can choose which one you would love, but in our case we'll just pick the blank presentation, this one. So you open it. As you can see, it's blank. It's now up to us to start adding what we want to add. Okay, so the first thing what we will do is to make it look beautiful. So we'll go on the design, then we'll choose which one or which design can we or would we like to put. Then we say okay, we'll pick this one here, the green one here. So you can pick any. If you're watching the video, you can just pick any of your choice, which can be even different from mine. Okay, so since this will be our first presentation or the first slide in our presentation, usually it should have capital letters, maybe introducing the welcoming and introducing the topic that we want to put in the presentation. So we'll say welcome to my garden. Okay, so it's now you to adjust, to change it where you want it to be. Okay, you can adjust and put it where you want it to be. Apart from that, then you can put some more things, some more notes. Okay, my garden, my pride. Okay, so you can adjust it. Okay, so in case you want to add some more notes, you can just go on insert, then you go on the text box, then you draw to the position where you want that text to be. Then for example, you can put who the presenter is, Mr. Chanda. You say the presenter, so you can write your name there and put it where you want it to be. You can drag it where you want it to be. Since this is our first slide, so it should welcome people. If you want to put maybe the dates or when the event is happening, you can still go and insert text box. You add another example. If you say let's say 5th of November 2023, so you can even put the date if you want the date. If you want still to add the venue, you can still add the venue. For example, if you say Mansa Hotel, we say okay, Mansa Hotel. Yeah, so it's simple. So let's say that's enough for our first slide. But again, you want to change the font because you want it to look fancy and nice. So what you need to do, just to click where on the text box, then you highlight what you want to change, then you go home, and then you come here and change the font of your choice. Okay, so I choose this font. As you can see, sometimes fonts come with their own size and they can dismantle, but you just want the heading to be in a straight line, so you can just adjust this one and try to reduce the font size. So you can highlight, then instead of font type, you come here on the font size, then you choose which font size. You can basically make the heading on a straight line using the same font type. Okay, so here we go. This is our font which we like, and here if you want to change, if it's okay, you can maintain. So we can say this one is our first slide. So how do we add another slide? Then we'll just go here, new slide. You just click there, new slide. The new slide will come. Then you put maybe introduction to, let's say, gardening. Then you put what you want there, or you say gardening is great. You put the notes that you want. Gardening can, let's say, bring money. Then you put the notes. But if you don't want numbers, in case you want to put bullets, So you can just remove numbers. You can remove numbers. Okay, so you can remove numbers. You can remove this bullet, you don't want it. Then you come here and under home menu, then you come here. Okay, so you can take which bullet you would love. Maybe you want this type, then you put it there. So garden is great. So here when gardening, you press enter, then it will bring another one. So if you have another one, you press enter. If you put maybe digging, yeah, so this will be the bulleting. Yeah, so after that you want to add another one, just go there, you add another one. For example, we say conclusion, then you write what you want to be in conclusion. So you can say gardening is the best way to make money. You type, then you conclude. How do you play it? Just come here on top, then you play it. This is your slide. Then if you have a pointer, or you just be doing it manually, then this is a presentation. So this is how we design a presentation. Not only that, what if you want to add some, since you have seen what we can take from home, insert and design, what is now transitioning? Okay, so for example, how do you want the slides to be transitioning? You can take this one. Okay, let's try to play and see if we use that one. You see the way it is coming. So, or if you want, you can put the random bars so that when you play, it will be coming like that. Okay, so transitioning, so it's how the slides will be changing. It's up to you to choose which one. Will it be wiping? Yeah, will it be wiping like that? Okay, apart from that, animations, want to try some more things that you can add to your presentation. Animation, so you need to choose where you want to animate. Okay, you want to animate this one, so how do you want it to be? Let's say you want it to be flying in. Okay, so if you play the video, when you begin, it will fly in like that. Okay, maybe you want some more, you can come here, add the animation, you can go there. Maybe you want it to be bouncing, so it will be bouncing like that. If you play it, it will be bouncing like, yeah, to be bouncing like that. As you can see, it will be bouncing like that. Sure. Okay, apart from that, maybe a pause, you can put a pause, it will be pausing like that. Okay, slideshow, how do you want the slides to be? Yeah, when you want to show the slides, do you want from the beginning or from the current slide? That's up to you. Okay, then the review, if you want to check some spellings. The view, if you want to change some color, maybe you don't like green, you can change the color. Like you are seeing, you can change the color to the color that you want. Okay, so this is how we design the presentation. So you can add as many slides as you would love to add. So in the next video, we'll learn how to add the voiceover to our presentation. Thank you very much. Of course, saving is just to press Ctrl S, then you choose where it will be. In my case, desktop. Then you put the file name, then you save, then the document is saved. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.